All right, y'all. Monday morning, happy Monday. Y'all know what it is, man. First thing first, y'all hit that like button, that notification bell, and that subscribe button. We out here, man, at the truck. We got one pick, one drop so far. We going up to Atlanta today for tomorrow. We got a drop in Atlanta tomorrow. Picking up, I want to say it's one pallet. Very small, light load too. I was trying hard to find something else, but I just can't find nothing that align with this. But we out here now. I'm about to just close up, did my pre-trip. Hopefully we can find something else, but like I said, it is what it is. We get up there, we're gonna find something to come back. I just hate finding shit. I mean, I hate having loads, and I like to fill up the truck. But it is what it is, man. At least we, and blessed to be out here to be able to get some money anyway. So it is what it is. But that's what the plan is. We about to shoot down to Miami, and then we headed up north to Atlanta. I'm going to tap in with y'all when we get down to the shipper, man. Y'all be cool. Have a good day. Happy Monday. Y'all get to the money. Be safe on the road. It's your boy. All right, y'all. We out here. We out here in Miami. Way the fuck down, son. So what we got going on? Good morning, man. How you doing? All right, y'all. We out here, man. Took me a minute to find the damn gas station, but gas up, man. We still down here in Miami, y'all. But excuse me. About to get this gas and then we out of here, man. Got a bag of ice from a cooler. And we about to get up here to Atlanta, man. Looking a little gloomy out here. Probably gonna storm, but little rain ain't never hurt nobody. Where we going, man? So I'm gonna tap in with y'all, man. Just letting y'all know what the play is, man. I'm gonna try to go live too when I get a good distance away. Let motherfuckers get home from work and all that shit. I'm gonna go live, man. Obviously, I'm talking this now. Y'all gonna know, obviously, by the time I put this video out. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get with you in a minute, man. Be cool. Have a good day. We out here. We on 75 now. Got about 4.5 hours left. Almost out of Florida right now. Start raining a little bit. Light drizzle ain't shit too bad though. I still had that one pallet. I wasn't able to find shit. Shit crazy, man. Thought I was gonna be able to grab something else, but it's already getting later, so I'm gonna try to start when I take my break. Wait station. When I take my break, I'm gonna just jump on there and see what I can come up with. But I got another hotel not too far from, it's 6 minutes away, so we're good. We ain't got to rush or nothing like that this morning. I had a phone call come in. But yeah, man, we got another spot close by, so we're good again, man. Try to line up some shit between now and the morning. Something to come back down with to move around, because Atlanta's a good place to be in. So, definitely not worried about it, but I was trying hard. I still could have put more pallets back there. I ain't gonna lie, I was I'm not gonna say I was mad, I was like disappointed. I'm like, dang, one pallet for real? Oh, I couldn't find nothing going up to like Orlando. Shit, I couldn't find nothing picking up in Orlando going. That shit crazy, man. But it is what it is, man. We're gonna see what I can do. See what I can do from now until tomorrow. got the time. Amazon taking their time. I'm still waiting on my Amazon to verify all my shit. But at least they got everything. Everything was submitted, so now we just got to do the waiting game. But like I tell y'all, as soon as I get in, I'm gonna let you know what the deal is. Alright, man, we out here, man. Ran off inside the little Dunkin' Donuts right here to go take a piss, boy. I've been holding that shit for a long time, boy. My head getting gas. I might take a fucking break while I'm at it. Put some more in there. We're gonna figure this shit out, man. See what we're gonna do. Alright, y'all. Atlanta, Georgia, boy. We made it. Just getting here now. You see my baby in the back. It's a lot of trucks out here. It's a lot of niggas doing the same shit, boy. Enough trucks out here. Enough trucks out here. About to get off in here, go sign in. Oh, man. See what we got, man. Go take a shower. Eat some of this food. Eat some of this food and we get up out of here. Take my ass to sleep. I'm tired as hell, boy. Try to book some shit tomorrow, but long ass ride, y'all. Made it out here safe. And like I told you, I'm 4 minutes away from my drop, so definitely gonna get the rest I need, and then we back on the grind tomorrow. I'm gonna tap in with y'all in the morning first thing, man. Y'all be cool.